Wildlife of the Gorongosa National Park by Celeste Friesen. The Gorongosa National Park is located in the southern end of the Great African Rift Valley in central Mozambique. The national park is one of Africa's greatest wildlife restoration stories, showing that human efforts can be successful to protect and restore an ecosystem near collapse. In 1977, a civil war broke between the Mozambican government and the Mozambique National Resistance. The war didn't end until 1992 and severely damaged the wildlife populations. In 1994, the first wildlife survey since the war counted 100 elephants, 100 waterbuck, 300 reedbuck, and only a small number of zebra and other small antelopes. By 2010, the wildlife in the park had increased by 40%. Is to provide information for the scientists to analyze and better understand the wildlife. I collected over 185 animals, analyzed them, identified them, and monitored what they were doing. I recorded the date, time of photo, what kind of animal, and how many there were. This graph represents the number of each animal identified in each year. There is very little data for the years 2012 and 2015. In 2012, there were only 2 animals identified, the baboon and the impala. In 2013, baboons made up 21% of all my findings and is the most evenly diverse. In 2014, baboons, waterbucks, and warthogs were most prevalent and made up 59% of my identifications. In 2015, warthogs were the most identified animal that year. In total, baboons, waterbuck, and warthogs were the most identified animals in the ecosystem. Animal behaviors I learned while doing the project. Every picture of the deer deer was taken at night, showing that deer deers forage and scavenge at night. Baboons were traveling or resting together in the pictures, giving me the idea that they stick together while traveling. The highest number of animals I found in one picture were when they were together, grazing or near a watering hole. In 2013 and 2014, I collected the most data and the most number of animals. For more information on the Gorongosa National Park and conserving and protecting the environment, go to www.gorongosa.org.